we're gonna call this part 2 of the interior heater box assembly and cleaning. How's that? What's going on, my YouTube friends? I'm telling you guys, you know, I mean, it's just coming apart. It's coming apart. It's a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. The seals and stuff like that, I think I can sew everything back up nicely, and let's turn this around, man. So I got the heater core out. Here's the top to the heater core, you know, and then the heater core sits right in here. Yeah, buddy. Top sits right there on top. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, this is where your heater core actually sits. Your outlets go out right there, and then this right here is your air conditioning. So I'm right now took the heater box off for the heater core. I got the blower box, the blower motor out. I'm gonna check that blower motor. I'm just gonna go ahead and reuse that, because if it's good, it's good. I'll just make sure I, you know, clean it up real good and spray some WD-40 in there. WD-40 is good for electronics, guys. It really is. Electrical, whatever you wanna call it. You call it what you call it, I call it what I call it. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, I'm gonna split this, take all the screws and everything off. So I put it on my little table here so I can spin it around. Yeah. You know, so guy screws here, screws there. So we'll get them all out. And they got these fancy little clips, and then we'll get the air conditioner out of there. And then this right here, I don't know, you know, can I use this for something? Is there something that you guys can think of that maybe I could put in here and use? You know what I'm saying? I mean, give me some ideas. You never know. And no, I'm not putting air conditioning back in it. So I'm gonna take all this loose and get this out, and then let me bring it back. You know, I would take video of taking this thing apart. You guys, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Once you start taking it apart, you can see how it comes apart. Very, very easy. It's okay, let me bring it back. So we got this split apart. Air conditioning condenser, or whatever you want to call it. I don't care what you call it. I ain't gonna be using it. But I know one thing, it'll be scrapped. That I know for sure. So I got that off. So it came apart pretty easy, you know. Just have to take your time, pull it apart, and nothing broke so far. So I should knock on wood. I use my head, that's enough. And so there's the top piece of it and everything right there. Not too bad, not too bad. So with it all apart and everything, and I'm gonna take this out, it's gonna be so much easier to get this cleaned up, put back together, and we'll have a nice piece. Like I said, it's under the dash, you ain't gonna see it, but I'm gonna know, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna know too, because you're seeing it done. Alrighty, so we're getting her done. I'm gonna pull this air conditioning condenser or compressor. It's not a compressor, that's for sure, but we're gonna get it out. And I don't know, man, what else can we put in that hole? Gotta be something we can put in that hole. I'll bring you back. Like in here, yeah, buddy. So we got all that out, and I went over and I vacuumed about 40 years worth of dirt, stinky, whatever it was, I don't know. But I got everything out of there, got it cleaned up. So now we're gonna wipe it all down clean. I got some dirt down here too, but hey, we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good, can't complain. And if I did complain, it wouldn't do no good anyhow, because who would listen? You guys might, I don't know. So we got the top, got everything. So this is very, very carefully taken apart, back together. Ooh, I'm sorry. So we'll just clean everything up and get everything down here put together like it's supposed to. Yeah. So not as bad as I thought it would be. I figured it would be more dry rotted and brittle, but it's not. So thank goodness for that, right? Huh? Yeah. So let me get this cleaned up and I'll bring you back. Alrighty then. Well, it's actually upside down, but I got it cleaned up. I split it apart. I got the, you know, the air conditioning condenser or whatever you want to call it out there. I don't care what you call it. So I got all that out. I cleaned it, split it apart. I'm putting it back together here. Let me shed a little light on it in here. And you can see that I did a lot of cleaning in there. So she's pretty clean. I mean, there's some dirt in there that just said, no, I'm not coming off. But it's 40 years worth of dirt. What do you want, you know? And in here, I got all inside there. And that's just stained, you know, it really is. So it's looking good on the inside. I'm gonna get this thing bolted back together. I got all the doors back operating and stuff like that, so we're good there. There's a door right here. So yeah, I really just need to get a heater core now. And I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this together because the heater core will go on there last. So we're getting it together, guys. Let me bring you back when I get some more work done. Yeah, buddy. Alrighty. So I got it pretty much together. I got to go and get a heater core and stuff like that. And just finished putting it together. So it's cleaned up. It looks pretty good. So hopefully we can get everything buttoned up here in the next few days and get it in the car. Still a few things I gotta find. I gotta look on the internet, call some of these LMR and these other places that sell parts and remake parts and get everything checked out. Once I gotta get the heater core. And this heater core is probably leaking at one point, you know. Yeah, I'd say so. But, you know, hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna put a new one on it and be done. And you know, the thing about it is I used to repair these things at one time. Yeah, that was a long time ago. Because when we owned George's Auto Parts, I did radiators and heater cores and radiators for semis, radiators for race cars, round cars, everything. Yeah. That's something you guys didn't know about me, did ya? So we're working on it, and I'm still gotta get the part here cleaned up. I didn't work on that yet. So I'm working the weekend this weekend, so probably won't be a whole lot done this weekend. So, all right, guys, I'll bring you back here shortly. I'm just gonna finish this video up, and I'm gonna tell you I worked 7 days last week, and I never got a chance to finish it. I still got to get a heater core, some things I still got to get, the little part that goes and holds the installation onto the firewall, the heater box bolts to that. So I need to find this a little white clip that goes in there and pops in there, then that bolts up to it. So I'm still looking for that. So I got a couple things I still got to get before I can actually put the heater box in the car. And then once we do that, then we'll start working with the interior and stuff like that. But right now, I still haven't got the heater core. Like I said, I've been working 7 days last week, and this week it's probably looks like it's gonna be the same. So we're getting real busy. I got, you know, stuff I got to do. Make some money for parts for the car. And you know what I mean? Spring's coming, guys. It's close here, so it's time to bring the Mach 1 out, the Mach 1s, and start enjoying them too. So this is gonna probably be worked on a few more times, get some stuff done on it. And I'll probably do some stuff throughout the summertime, but you know, we're gonna be doing the car shows. And like I said, we'd like to go to Tennessee this year for a takeover. And gotta make some money, guys. So anyhow, I appreciate each and every one of you. My new subscribers, my old subscribers, you guys are the best. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Hey, thanks for watching. And we'll get some more here on this heater box and get this taken care of here shortly.